Hello everybody and welcome back to WP Travel tutorial series, and in this video we will be discussing how to implement the trip clone feature available in WP Travel plugin. WP Travel plugin provides an extra feature that will reduce the effort of creating new trips each time, especially with a similar kind of data. Using the trip clone feature, you can simply make a duplicate of the trip. To use the trip clone feature, please follow this step-by-step guide. Right now, as you can see, I'm on my admin's dashboard, and from there you can head over to trips and all trips. From the all trips section, you can see when we hover our mouse on top of any trip, you will be able to see few options in here, like for example edit, quick edit, bin, view, and finally we have clone trip option that we are going to be using. Once you decide a trip that you want to clone, you can simply click on this clone trip option. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you can see we have now this draft options appearing. When you click on that, you will be able to see that the clip that we cloned is now appearing in the draft option. And from here you can click on edit, and now we are on our edit trip section, and from here you can completely modify your trip and change the properties according to your liking. Once you do that, you can click on this publish button. If you head back to all trips option, your clone trip is now appearing in here. So that's a pretty simple method on how you can clone your trips so you don't have to create trips again and again with same data. I really hope you learned something new in this video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.